In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the transform properties of an object using keyboard shortcuts and the menu in Blender. These transformations include location, rotation, and scale adjustments. This is a very handy skill to have, especially when you need to quickly return an object to its default state without manually adjusting each property. It's a real time saver and can help streamline your workflow significantly. First, let's dive into the world of keyboard shortcuts. These are incredibly efficient for making quick transformations. Suppose you want to reset an object's location back to the world origin, which is the coordinate sound dirasas. You'll need to start by selecting the object you wish to manipulate. Once you've got it highlighted, simply press Alt plus G on your keyboard. Like magic, the object will snap back to the center of the scene. Using keyboard shortcuts in any software allows you to perform tasks much faster, and Blender is no exception. Now let's say you need to reset the object's rotation. Again, make sure your object is selected. This time, press Alt plus R on your keyboard. By doing this, you will set the object's rotation back to 0 on all axes. It's like a fresh slate for the object's orientation, making sure that it's aligned without any tilt, spin, or roll. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by an oddly angled object and couldn't figure out how to straighten it, this shortcut is your new best friend. The last transformation we'll explore is resetting the scale. To revert an object to its default scale proportions of 1:1, ensure it's selected, and then press Alt plus S. This will adjust the object so that it's neither shrunken nor enlarged, just its original intended size. This can be particularly useful if you've been experimenting with different sizes and need to quickly snap back to the original scale to reevaluate the design. If you prefer using the menu, that's also perfectly fine and perhaps allows for a more visual understanding of the process. Let's walk through that method. Make sure you're in Object mode and select the object you wish to reset. Head to the Object menu located in the top left corner of the viewport. From here, navigate to Clear, where you'll notice it expands into a sub-menu. Choose the specific transform you want to reset, whether it's Clear Location, Clear Rotation, or Clear Scale. Each option is there to help you restore the particular attribute of the object to its default configuration. Whether you prefer the speed of keyboard shortcuts or the visual path of menu selections, mastering these methods will undoubtedly enhance your Blender proficiency. Practice and find whichever method feels most intuitive for you. Resetting an object's location, rotation, or scale can be a game changer when modeling and designing in Blender, providing you with that much-needed efficiency and accuracy. Keep experimenting and see what works best as you integrate these tools into your workflow.